Yui?
Yeah?
You've got 4 minutes left.
OK, OK. All right.
Are we going to be ready?
I'm just waiting for my rice to be cooked.
Get everything else on the plate and then put the rice on last.
OK, yeah.
Smells good. Yui?
Thank you.
We should be going now. Rice is going to go on or not go on?
No, I can't serve that.
Yeah, that's fine. I think that looks good.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Lovely, thank you.
Hi, I cooked for you today is Somtam Thai spicy salad with crying tiger and the nam jim jiao dipping sauce. But I should have the sticky rice with it as well, but unfortunately the rice just underdone, so I'm just not serving it to you.
No problem.
All right, hope you enjoy. Thank you.
Rice? What rice? I don't care. This is bananas. The beef's cooked beautifully. The salad, oh, I mean, that's a salad, isn't it? And then when you put it all together, it works. This is the best thing we've had all day.
This sauce is insane.
Yeah.
It's got everything. Heat, sweet, spice, salty, umami. It's just been executed by a master. It's absolutely perfect.
This is as good as I've had in any decent Thai restaurant, if not better.
The addictive power of a chilli is something quite exciting, isn't it? It's great.
Love that sweet dip. That salad that she's made starts off sharp, but it finishes in ferocious heat.
I'm just annoying the rice not cooked.
You got to move on now.
Yeah,
Yui.
I will, yeah.
Noodles. OK?
Stir-fried chicken rice noodles with crispy Thai basil and pickled red chillies. And it's comfort food, but I'm sure it's going to be elevated from just a classic bowl of noodles.
You're about 5 minutes, Yui.
OK.
And what we want is chicken that's tender, noodles that are soft, and the right level of spicing.
Right, you're in danger of running out of time, Yui.
Yeah, it's coming. Oh,
What's the matter?
it's just noodles just overcooked.
Overcooked.
Chin up, just keep on going, you'll be fine.
You OK?
No, I'm not happy with the noodles.
Let's go. Thank you. Well done.
Come on.
Hi, sorry I'm late.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I've cooked for you a stir-fried rice noodles with chicken and crispy basil with the baby peppercorn. And I'll top up with the wild garlic flowers as well. Hope you enjoy.
Thank you.
Thank you. Oh, my God. Just done it so perfect at home. I've never done it wrong.
The noodles are overcooked, but I don't care because it's so good and it's full of surprise. The vegetables are crispy, so I've got that texture, but it's so delicate. I just love it.
There's detail, there's flavour. What we've got there is meaty, tender, juicy thighs. It's really balanced.
The noodles are a little bit mushy, but this girl can cook really, really well. She's got to hold her nerve in that kitchen and not let her confidence let her down.
It's really nice flavours. There is a beautiful hint of chilli. There's a fragrance about it.
But the fact is, we know that is overcooked underneath.